Just let it go around. And then right in front of him.
Okay.
Yeah. Because you can go in front of him. Say hello. Now you can go behind him. Want to see the cop? He's flagging you up.
How in the tour, the breakaway has to get a minute or 2 or 3 minutes on the running into town over the last climb.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I need on this tandem, or it'll catch me for sure.
Then do it. Oh, the look back. The dancing on the pedals. Are you turning the pedals in anger? Are you in a spot of bother? Yes, yes. What's that? Are you dragging your carcass all over your machine like a what? Like a gorilla? Oh, I think this is the rough road.
I'm digging into my suitcase of courage.
He's digging into the suitcase of courage. Nice.